Thanks for joining me for this weekend forecast for Scotland from the Met Office. Stays mild this weekend, and there'll be more showers around as well. Some of them could be on the heavy side, staying largely fine through Friday evening across the Highlands and the Western Isles, but elsewhere there will be plenty of showers. Misty, murky conditions persisting around the coasts across the northeast as well. The showers will ease for a time through the central belt before more heavy showers return to parts of the south during the early hours. It's going to be mild with some clearer skies here and there. We might dip down to single figures, but most places staying in double digits, staying fairly breezy across the far north, and certainly a misty, murky start again around the coast of Caithness, Sutherland and the Moray Firth. There'll be a few scattered, mostly light outbreaks of rain across the north, but some heavier showers further south. Could be quite a wet start to the day through the central belt. But that zone of rain should push northwards, and that will allow skies to brighten initially across the south, but probably through the central belt during the afternoon. Fife may also cheer up a little bit as well. Elsewhere, it stays predominantly cloudy, but some breaks in the cloud likely over the Western Isles and the Western Highlands, and it won't be as wet across the Northern Isles either. Temperatures, again, on the mild side, we start at 10 or 11, we creep up to 12, 13. With a bit of brightness on the Moray Firth, we might reach 14 or 15, and certainly further south, if we see some afternoon sunshine, 15 degrees likely through the central belt, maybe a touch higher across Lothian and down to Dumfries and Galloway. Now, as we go through Saturday evening, that zone of showers will push its way northwards. It'll stay fairly murky again around the coast of the northeast. And then again, we look down to the south with the possibility of further showers coming in here. And Sunday's going to be a bit of a mishmash. Again, some dry and brighter spells, particularly across the northwest, but further bands of showers likely to work up from the south during the day. And again, some of these could be heavy, especially by the afternoon. But all the while, the breeze coming up from the south, and that's bringing mild air. So again, temperatures are likely to get into the teens in places, fairly mild for the time of year. More information available, of course, if you follow us on social media, and why not subscribe to all of our YouTube channels.